seems we're finally emerging from the pandemic. A war overseas could rock our economy once again. Here now is Hoover Institute Distinguished Visiting Fellow and former Council of Economic Advisors Chairman Kevin Hassett. Kevin, great to see you. There was an old expression back in the 60s when LBJ rolled out his Great Society program. It was called guns and butter. We were funding the Vietnam War at the same time we funded this massive expansion in the federal government. Are we going there again?
No, I think that basically Russia kind of knows that it's going to bear a heavy cost that's imposed on them by the Ukrainians, but that the West has decided to just stand down and let them do whatever they want over there. And so if, basically everybody launched sanctions on Russia and then Russia turned off the natural gas to Europe and all that kind of stuff, would drive up energy prices and give us a big negative economic shock. I think it's clear that that's not going to happen. And that's really, a big risk for the Ukrainians because, the Western leaders have said, no, we're not going to let Russia attacking Ukraine upset our economy. And so I don't think that the big market moves that we've seen as Ukraine has gotten closer and closer to conflict I don't think that those are a signal that it's going to be a big negative economic shock to the world. In fact, we used to talk about this decoupling thing where foreign policy is decoupled from the economy, and I think that'll be evident in this one as well.
Well, let's bring it back home. Although we should mention, by the way, we're spending close to $800 billion on defense this year, which is much more than a lot of people thought we'd get from the Biden administration. But we are still, let's bring it to inflation specifically, because our Federal Reserve, despite the fact that they've telegraphed that they're going to be raising rates and stopping all of the money producing in order to buy up Treasury bills, they're still monetizing the debt. They're still buying up as we speak. They say they're going to end it next month, but as we speak, they're still doing it. So inflation concerns are still worrisome. And I remember a couple of weeks ago you saying we may not only be headed for double-digit inflation, but we may be there right now. Do you still believe that?
Yeah, we are just about there. I think the wholesale prices are up 9.7% at the most recent report. So, I mean, that rounds to 10, right? And the fact is that inflation is accelerating and that the Fed's interest rate moves are going to be far too little, far too late. And so what's going to happen for most Americans is that their standard of living is going to drop a lot this year, especially between now and the election. The Fed's going to be behind the curve. They're going to give us 25 basis point moves when they need to be doing things much larger than that. And so, yeah, I think that what we said, and you and I have been talking about this for a while, right? Yep. The inflation is headed to double digits. It's there now. And there's nothing I see that's going to knock it back down.
And not only that, but the American public sees it firsthand. I mean, they've already seen their lowering in their standard of living as a result of what they can't buy anymore. There are actually people that are buying less meat, putting less meat on the table because of inflation. So it is already affecting people's standard of living. How much further do you think that will go down?
Yeah, well, I think it's going to continue to decline for years now because the Fed isn't going to get inflation back to 2% anytime soon. Wages usually don't keep up with inflation. And I was just at a fast food restaurant a few days ago, and I was stunned at what I had to pay for a hamburger. And absolutely, this is negatively impacting people's lives, and it's going to continue to. And I think that I can think of policies that would help with this, but there's supply side on the fiscal side, which the Democrats aren't going to do, and it's harsher interest rate hikes on the Fed side, and the Fed's not going to do that. And so people need to get used to inflation.
Well, fasten your seatbelts, but there is a midterm election coming up, and this will play a role in that midterm election. You better believe it. Kevin Hassett, great to see you. Thank you very much for being here.